a school bus, a big yellow bus that safely carries kids to school every day. City bus, city bus, a large bus that helps people travel around the busy city. Double-decker bus, double-decker bus, a tall bus with 2 floors, great for sightseeing in big cities. Trolley bus, trolley bus, an electric bus that uses overhead wires to glide along the streets. Coach bus, coach bus, a comfy long-distance bus with soft seats for traveling far away. Ambulance, ambulance, a fast emergency vehicle that rushes sick or injured people to the hospital. Police car, police car, a quick car that helps police keep the city safe. Taxi, taxi, a car you can hire to take you wherever you need to go in town. Motorbike, motorbike, a 2-wheeled bike that zooms fast on roads. Scooter, a small, easy-to-ride vehicle that's perfect for short trips. Dirt bike, dirt bike, a rugged bike for riding on bumpy, muddy paths. Moped, a tiny motorbike that's light and easy for city rides. ATV, a 4-wheeled ride that can handle rough trails and hills. Quad bike, a fun 4-wheel bike for adventures off the road. Tractor, a strong farm vehicle used for plowing fields and pulling heavy loads. Bulldozer, bulldozer, a powerful machine that pushes dirt to build roads or clear land. Excavator, a digging machine with a long arm for scooping earth on construction sites. Road, a heavy machine that flattens roads to make them smooth. Forklift, a small warehouse vehicle that lifts and moves heavy boxes. Golf cart, golf cart, a small electric cart used to drive around golf courses or big parks.